Alright guys, I'm going to be doing a front strut on my 2002 Honda Civic EX. First, you have to lift up your car. Next up, you want to remove your wheel. And then you wanna disconnect the brake hose from the strut. Take the two bolts that hold the strut in place, and then there's another bolt. There's two bolts, so there's 4 bolts in total. Hold the bolt from one side and then do it from the other side. And they'll come right off. See, these are the 2 big bolts that hold the strut in together. So I want to come up and take the 3 bolts that hold the strut on top. The bolts on top are 14mm bolts. So go ahead and take them out. Make sure you hold the strut while you take the last bolt off. Put one spring on one side and then the other one opposite side, so the one just zip. You want to take off the middle bolt. Once you get the top bolt out, you want to get the spring off. Get the new one. Turn it to one side so you can open it. Pull it up and then push it back down a couple times. Put the spring into place. After putting the top bolt onto your strut, remove the spring compressors. You'll be set to put it back in your car. Make sure you put the 2 bolts that hold the strut together with the brake line. And then after that, you have to put the 3 bolts that hold the strut on top. And you'll be set. Put the tire back and you can go test it for a drive. Thanks, subscribe.